Sometimes your queries, or stored procedures, will require you to specify parameters. Unless you have parameters, the code's exactly the same for Access and for SQL Server or other namespaces as well. But if you start having parameters, things get more complicated. With the SQL Client namespace, you'll have SQL strings that look like this. Whether or not using a stored procedure, even with dynamic SQL, you can have parameters, and the parameters must have names that begin with an @ For OLEDB, you can have parameters whether it's a dynamic SQL or a saved query, and the parameters are just question marks, and you refer to them by their position, that is, the number of the parameter that it is, starting with parameter number 0. To satisfy those parameter values, well, you have to give them values before they can run the query. You need to add parameter objects to the parameters collection of the command object, and you need to specify their values. The easiest way to do this is use the new add-with-value method. It's new in ADO.NET 2.0. Here you specify the parameter name and value, and it's the easiest way to add a parameter.